produce a sound, but it's not as good as it is because every time I strike here, because I'm not moving my body, it's stuck here. So full body motion, they are gonna try. See, the sound is different compared to that one. Full body motion. On number 2, vertical strike. So if I go here, so full body motion. And then number 3 up, that is 10. Full body motion will be. And for the horizontal strike, if I don't use full body angle, it will be like that. See, if I go here, stretch. Not very good on my shoulder. So full body motion will be like this. And again, a good indication to produce a good sound.